Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to the channel. Please, if you're watching this video, make sure to click on the subscribe button and like and comment in the comment section. Thank you for the support. Always watching our videos. Share for others to get informed. Today, we are bringing you aerial shot from the Takoradi Technical University, TTU, located here in Takoradi in the western region of Ghana. TTU was established in 1954 as a government technical institute. Later, after the passage of the Polytechnic Law of 1992, it was replaced by Polytechnic Law Act 745 in 2007. In 2016, the bill to convert 6 out of 10 polytechnics, including Takoradi Polytechnic, into a fully fledged university received an unanimous approval of Ghanaian legislators, so it became a technical university. The motto of the university is Adwen, Akoma, mpuntu. Literally, skills combined with wisdom accelerate development. The Vice-Chancellor of TTU is Reverend Professor Frank Eshun. The university logo is intended to capture essence of technical and vocational education. The secular nature of the logo symbolizes the completeness of the training and education nurtured at the Polytechnic. The interior of the logo is an open book set against a red gear against a yellow background. The interior is intended to symbolize the technical and vocational education and training provided by the university. The Akra symbol of Intiasia or Maximasia, literally, I have heard and I have kept it, is a Ghanaian cultural symbol for learning, which is set on a blue background with the yellow waves representing the location of the institute near the sea. The royal blue color that enriched the emblem in the logo represents the global appeal of the education, and the sky is the limit for all students. The fire red color symbolizes hard work and personal sacrifices, which underlies success in all endurance. The rich yellow color encapsulates wealth that results from the application of the skills and knowledge acquired through the unique education at the Takoradi Technical University. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red button to subscribe to the channel. Wait for some time and you'll see notification bell. Just click on it and select all to get notified of our posts. The vision statement of the university is to be the world-class technical university recognized for excellence, innovation, and societal relevance. Whereas the mission statement is to provide technical education, training, research, and consultancy service to all students and stakeholders for the development of the nation and beyond. Their objectives are: make higher education equally accessible to all persons suitable, qualified, and capable of benefiting from education and training offered at a technical university. Determine the programs of study by considering the multiplicity of sciences, theories, and methodologies. Use competency based on practice-oriented approach in teaching, organization, and delivery of courses and programs. Develop strong linkages and collaboration with relevant industries, businesses, professional bodies, and technical aspects in delivery of programs. Offer programs and courses within the mandate of technical university. provide opportunity for skills, development, applied research, and publication of research findings. The Takoradi Technical University shall achieve its core objective mentioned above through its section units, offices, departments, directorates, centers, institutes, and faculties. The university has the following core values which will be applied for the achievement of its vision. Commitment. We are committed to the genre of the technical knowledge that impacts on our internal and external communities for national development. Integrity. We shall set up a high standard of honesty and reliability through policies and environmental sustainability across all over activities of our members of the university for the achievement of academic excellence. Teamwork and cordiality. We ensure cooperation among all staffs and associations as a means of building interpersonal trust for working as a team at all levels. We nurture the facility industrial relationship and research partners with local and international organizations which foster knowledge transfer. Excellence. We shall aim to attain higher professionalism, creativity, and continual improvement in every endeavor. We never settle for second best. Diversity. We shall provide equal opportunities for all categories of persons, irrespective of gender, social, economic, ethnic, religious, and physical capabilities. The institution offers graduates, undergraduates, and non-tertiary programs. It has 5 faculties which are applied arts and technology, applied science, built and natural environment, business studies, and engineering. The university is a very beautiful and nice environment. I hope that you love these videos and will subscribe to the channel and keep watching our videos.